only use my heart and my imagination.
What's up, boys? It's 7 in the morning. We're here at Silver Falls State Park. About to feed my new addiction, waterfalls. 10 falls in one hike. About an 8-mile loop. I'm excited. And we're currently behind South Falls, the first waterfall on the trail. This thing is sick. Half a mile in. 9 more waterfalls to go, and this is the first one. Great start. If you point at a waterfall behind me, this thing's awesome. We are going under this now. Thing's sick.
I know where it's from. All them days behind me.
I'm sitting right behind the second waterfall. You know which waterfall it's called?
This is Lower South Falls.
This one's the Lower South Falls. This one's even cooler to be behind. Spreads out way more. It's sick, man. Sitting on the ledge right now.
See the waterfall down there?
Yeah. That would kind of suck if I dropped my phone. We got a while's wait before the next fall. We got a while's wait before the next fall. But then it's like a bunch in a row. A bunch! And it's gonna be sick. Bro, we're trying to speed up a little because we got here early. But we see walking down just a group of like 30 people. And we ain't trying to be around all those people, so we're speeding ahead. All right, we have approached the lower North Falls. Very cool scenery with these trees. Of course, this freaking log has to fall right on the waterfall to ruin it.
Gosh darn it.
But this thing is still sick. Waterfall numero 3. You're so fun.
Next up, Double Falls.
Next up, we got a little detour towards Double Falls. Let's go. Got Middle North Falls coming up. Up behind this one too. This one got some velocity on it. Third one we got behind. Is this waterfall number 6? I think this is 6-1. Oh yeah. This one's a little tiny. This is Twin Falls?
Yeah.
Apparently, guys. Here we got Upper North Falls. This one seems you can be swimming in. Most people we've seen that one. This one's pretty sweet. This is right next to a parking lot. This is probably people's like first one they do. I think it's the 8th or 9th one we've seen. We've come back down to North Falls. We're walking over and then gonna go behind this waterfall.